This is the best snack in town, eh? One.
Jamaica is not for Jamaican people. It's for China.
Foreigners, yeah?
Foreigners.
What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new day in Jamaica. By the way, happy Independence Day, Jamaica. World one. Yeah, man. Anyway, guys, I am currently in Montego Bay. It is close to 12 in the afternoon, and well, the idea for today's video will be to take you around different parts of Montego Bay, even though today it is a public holiday. But guess what? We are outside, baby. To be honest, I was expecting more stuff for the Independence Day, but you know, we just had a small défilé. Anyway, fam, as always, oops on the ground, kindly show me some love, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and well, for those who would love to support the channel, you can do it through my Zelle and PayPal. Much appreciated. So, well, you know, today it is technically a public holiday, so I am not sure if we are going to see a lot of stuff going on, but let's find out. Let's go, gangs, eh? Alright, people are already acting a little bit funny with the camera. Anyway, apparently later on today there is a concert. So this is the main square. This is the main square of Montego Bay, and you know, apparently around 7 p.m. they are going to have a small concert. So we should definitely stick around and wait until 7 p.m. So, to be honest, also I've been struggling to find a decent place to stay here in Montego Bay. Since I got here in Jamaica, I've been staying a lot in different hostels, and to be honest, I'm not a big fan of that, but this is, you know, this is what I have to do here, you know. I don't have any more choice, unfortunately. So, well, let's see what is going on right now, and also I am planning to get some food anytime soon. So, yep, guys, this is my current situation this afternoon. So I believe that tomorrow I will be on my way to Negril, which is like 2 hours away from here, and hopefully in Negril I could find a better place to stay. Obviously, if you want to find a better hotel, you have to spend more money, but you know, I am trying to make it affordable for me. So yes, guys, you know, this is my current situation right now. So without wasting any time, let's take you a little bit around and let's see what is popping, eh? But like I said, you know, I think for right now everything is pretty much done. Yeah, some people are basically leaving right now. I think I am going to take you to the beach and maybe chill a little bit on the beach until 7 p.m. You know? What do you think? Let me know what do you think in the comment section down below. But yep, guys, look at that. That was like pretty much what was going on this morning, you know. It was like a small type of event. So yep. Oh, sorry, Martin. Well, let me go on that way. And yes, but the show is over, guys. Once again, happy Independence Day to all my Jamaicans followers, eh? Look at that farm. And I believe that, you know, in front of us we have like a type of museum, you know, if I'm not wrong. Still, you can see some street vendors selling different type of stuff, especially some clothes and also some food, eh? So, by the way, let me get a nice cream, because you know it is super hot. So hey, big man, how much is that, boss? Yes,
300, 400 and 500.
okay, maybe give me 300.
301?
Yes, lime.
From my brother.
From France.
I was gonna say Portugal, but close, quite close.
For the accent, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So today
how long
it
have you
is
lived in, what's your background though?
yeah, of course, yeah. My dad is from Togo, West Africa,
West Africa.
and my mom, she is from the Caribbean.
Which Caribbean?
Guadeloupe.
Which one of the Caribbean?
Guadeloupe. Close to Martinique, Dominica, Guadeloupe.
You know, crazy thing.
Yeah,
Never heard about that Caribbean, man.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard about loads of Caribbean, but I never heard about that one.
It's
Which
close
one you said you
to
want?
Saint Martin, lime.
Lime. No problem, I'll give you lime. But do you want flavor? Pineapple, strawberry, blueberry?
What do you recommend?
I recommend, I'll give you all the colors.
Okay, let's go, eh?
Yeah?
Yeah, sure. So today it is like Independence Day, right?
Yeah. That's what they're doing, they're celebrating. But for me, my brother, I don't think Jamaica is independent.
Oh, how
Especially
come?
this Prime Minister, gone already.
Here?
Serious. So next time I see you.
How come, brother? Tell me.
Eh?
How come Jamaica is not independent?
As a country with what our ancestors fight for,
Yeah.
this Prime Minister doesn't stand for it.
Oh, okay, got you.
You know?
Yeah.
Like they keep selling out the country. Jamaica is not for Jamaican people. It's for China,
Foreigners, yeah?
foreigners, basically.
I see it, you know, I'm seeing it a lot, brother, you know?
Yeah, but it's not for us.
Wow.
We have our beef here for years and then China come, they take it over and then they tell us we have to pay to go on. That's what kind of shit is
You
that?
also have like a lot of Indians, no?
Huh?
A lot of Indians.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be once again super sweet, but you know, let's go for it, eh? And how do you call it? Sky juice.
Sky juice.
Sky juice, yeah?
We call it sky juice, shaved ice, or snow cone.
Or
The
snowball.
original name, sky juice.
Sky juice, yeah, I got
What we
you.
grew up on, sky.
Exactly. So I am going to have the sky juice. Let's give it a try. So it's over, or there is more stuff going on?
Huh?
It's over, or there is more stuff going on today?
Yeah.
It's over for the Independence Day?
No. It's gonna go on till later.
Okay. So you should stick around, yeah?
Yeah, stick around.
Oh,
you
wow.
can go up there if you want.
Yeah.
You can do what you want, what you please. Man.
Sweet. My man, appreciate it. Very kind of you, okay?
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah. Merci beaucoup, hein?
Yeah,
Yes, I. Oh, okay, okay.
Merci beaucoup.
Yeah, merci beaucoup.
Does mean
Thanks a lot.
thanks a lot.
Yeah.
My
Let me
friend
get the
used to
change,
say-
I forgot the change.
My friends used to speak French to me.
Oh, really, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
No, that one is 500 that I gave you.
Oh,
I
really?
give you the 500 cup. Unless you want to give it back a bill, so I give it for 400, yeah? Yeah?
Okay, well then.
No problem.
Alright, man. Blessing, yes. Well, fam, you know, let's stick a little bit around, eh? Apparently, I got told by this nice dude that, you know, more stuff are going to take place. So let's see what's up. Yes, I. Respect. Damn, fam, this is like too sweet, eh? But you know, I was a little bit thirsty. Here, you even have some people selling crabs, eh? Damn, if I knew, I should have got a mango juice, you know? Anyway, fam. I am going to try. Hey, friend! This is the best snack in town, eh? One. Sure, fam. Boss, what is the name of it? Huh? What is the name? Festival. Okay. So I am going to get a festival, eh? This is pretty good, but yeah, there is a lot of oil. Guys, this is the best snack ever here, I'm telling you. It's super nice, you know? It seems that very soon it is going to rain, eh? What do you think? Anyway, gangs, I just want to sit down somewhere and relax for a little bit because it is super hot, eh? Outside, as always. I think this is where people are selling some fish, by the way. Good afternoon, sir. What fish do you have? Hmm? What is that? What can I do, you know? Anyway, guys, let me go on that way and let me just sit somewhere. I truly believe that, you know, people behave in a different way when you are a black foreigner in the country or if you are Caucasian, you know. Unless maybe if you dress in a fancy way, people are going to pay more attention to you. But you know, myself, I am very low, how can I say it, low profile, eh? So you know, I don't need to wear some brands and stuff. But you know, I notice that sometimes the way how we treat each other is very poor, eh? Unfortunately. But when a Caucasian man come or woman, people are very welcoming. I'm not sure why. Kindly let me know what do you think in the comment section down below. But yes, and I've been to a couple of places in the Caribbean and I also felt the same, you know, when people see you like, you know, just as they look, they treat you sometimes like very badly, but when it is like a Caucasian person, it's a different story, you know. Anyway, I think in Africa it is better. I've been to 25 countries in Africa, and you know, to be honest, I felt a little bit more welcome, you know, at some points. But here, you know, like I said, if you don't dress up or show that you know you have that and that, people are not going to pay attention to you, eh? Fam, it is going to rain, yes or no? Myself, you know, I am just very transparent with my travels, you know. I don't like to hide anything, so I know that some people are going to like it and some others are going to hate it, you know, but I just want to be transparent and share my experience, you know, with you. Oh, the fam.
Yeah.
Morning.